And this is part 3 of chapter 3. Okay, third one. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. Rectangle of area formula is L into B. L equal to 10 and B equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10, 1, 2. B equal to length equal to 10, breadth equal to 2. So formula is L into B. 10 into 20. 2 tens are 20. 20 square centimeters. Okay. First one, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. Draw one straight line into this rectangle to divide it into two equal triangles. What is the area of each of this triangle? Okay, we just divide it into triangle. This is 20 square centimeter. Area of triangle we just find half into 20. 2 tens are 20. 10 square centimeters. Triangle. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into two equal rectangles. Two equal. Draw one straight line. Okay, here you just observe this is one rectangle and this is one rectangle. What is the area of each of smaller rectangle? The smaller rectangle already here rectangle of area is 20 square centimeters. In 20 half is 10 square centimeters. Next, draw two straight line in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and two triangles. And this is the straight line. And this is one rectangle and two triangles. And this is one rectangle and two triangles. One rectangle, how many, what is the area of rectangle? 10 square centimeters. What is the area of rectangle? This rectangle L equal to 5 and B equal to 5 2s are 10 square centimeters. Next, what is the area of triangle? So 1 by 2 into 10. 5. 2 5s are 10. So 5 square centimeters. Okay children. Next, puzzle with 5 squares. Puzzle with how many squares? 5 squares. Measure the side of a small square on the squared paper on page 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such squares. 3 are draw for you. Here 3 are already they are drawing. So how many as possible we just draw. Okay, I am just drawing 12. Total 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Using 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 5 squares. How many different shapes can you draw? Total how many? 12 different shapes. Which shape has two longest perimeter? How many centimeters? Perimeter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 centimeters. here 12 shapes are there. In this 12 shape, except fourth one, all are 12 centimeters perimeter. Which shape has the shortest perimeter? How much? Except 4 I am saying, so we just find perimeter. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Sorry, again I am counting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 centimeters. What is the area of shapes? Square, they are square centimeter. That's simple. Area, we just find area. All are how many squares? We are using 5 squares. So 5 square centimeters. Children, this is one of the activity for chapter 3. Using square sheet and in one shape we are using how many squares? 5 squares. And next, did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? 12 shapes here. All 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. This is rectangle. In rectangle, they are arranging 12 shapes. This is a 10 into 6 rectangle. 10 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 6. There are 10 rows and 6 columns. 6 columns, 10 rows. You will surprised to know that here there are more than 2000 ways in which these shapes make 10 into 6. Okay. All the draw all the 12 shapes on the sheet cardboard and cut them. Try arrange your 12 shapes in the same other way to make 10 into 6 rectangle. Could you do it? Okay, yourself also like this you just make. Next, try another puzzle. You have to make 5 into 12 rectangles with the 12 shapes. There are more than 1000 ways to do it. If you can find even one, that's great. Game time. Here is a chess board. This is chess board. Play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. The first player picks one shape from the set and puts on the board, covering and 5 squares. Here one shape is there. How many squares? Here covering 5 squares. Like that another person also 5 squares. Using 5 squares they are covered one shape. Whoever puts the last piece wins. In this both whoever puts the last piece, they will win. Keep taking turns until one of you cannot go in any further. Okay, this is the game. You just try your partner. Make your own tails. Remember the floor pattern in Maths Magic book for pages 117, 119. You had to choose the correct tail which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there were no gaps left. Okay, here some patterns are there. Observe, children. Jerry went to a shop and was surprised to see the different designs of tiles on the floor and these beautifuls. Okay, can you find the tails which is repeated to make each of this flow pattern? Circle tail of which is repeated in this 4 pattern. You just circle it. After looking at the patterns, Jerry wanted to make her own yellow tail. You to make tail this way. Okay, this is activity 1. Okay, children, they are giving 4 steps. In 4 steps, Jerry make a one yellow tail. Yourself also you just make one yellow tail. Okay, First one, take a piece of cardboard of thick paper, draw a square of side 3 centimeters on it. Draw a triangle on any one of this side of this square. Draw another triangle of the same size on another side of square, but this time draw it inside of square. Next, cut this shape from the cardboard. Your tail is ready. What is the area? Okay, we just find area. Make a pattern using your tail. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page. But remember, there must be no gaps between them. Remember, there is no gaps. Okay. Jerry made a pattern using her yellow tails. You know the area of her tail. Answer. How many tails has she used? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 tails. What is the area floor pattern Jerry has to make here? Okay, total 12 into 1, 2, 3. 36 square centimeters. Practice time. Jerry tried to make some other tails. She started a square of 2 centimeters side and made shapes like this. Here 4 shapes are there they can make. Look at this carefully and find out which of these shapes will tail a floor without any gap. Discuss what is the area of these shapes. 1, 2. Without any gaps, C and D. Okay, what is the area of this square? Square of area formula is side into side. Rectangle of area formula is L into B. So side into side means already here they are given 2 centimeters side. 2 into 2 is equal to 4 square centimeters. Make a design your copy by tailing those shapes. Now you create your own new tails of the square. Can you do the same with the triangle? Try doing it. Okay children, this is part 3 of chapter 3 and this complete the chapter. Okay, watch this video and do your activities. This is activity 1. Make a tail, and this is activity 2. How many shapes? Using 5 squares you just draw yourself. Draw it. Okay children, thank you.